Can birds move their eyes? Have you ever wondered how birds see the world around them? The question of whether birds can move their eyes is fascinating and reveals much about their unique vision. Birds have large eyes compared to their head size, but these eyes are not very round. They are held in place by a circle of bony plates called the sclerotic ring. This structure limits how much birds can move their eyes within their sockets. Most birds can only move their eyes a small amount, typically between 10 and 20 degrees horizontally. However, some small songbirds, known as passerines, can move their eyes more than 80 degrees horizontally. This limited eye movement means that birds often relying on moving their heads to look around. You might notice this behavior when birds turn or tilt their heads to get a better view of their surroundings. Birds with eyes on the sides of their heads, like peons or chickens, enjoy a wide field of view. This adaptation helps them spot predators more easily. On the other hand, birds with eyes positioned at the front, such as owls, benefit from binocular vision. This allows them to judge distances accurately when hunting for food. Interestingly, recent studies show that birds with eyes on the sides of their heads do not move their eyes independently as once thought. Instead, many of them move their eyes in a coordinated manner. When one eye moves in a certain direction, the other often moves in the opposite direction simultaneously. This coordination helps birds keep track of their environment and maintain a stable view. Birds also have a unique way of keeping their eyes clean and moist. Unlike humans, they do not blink with eyelids. Instead, they possess a special third eyelid known as the nictitating membrane. This membrane sweeps across the eye, acting like a contact lens for aquatic birds when they are underwater. In summary, while birds can move their eyes, their movement is limited compared to humans. They compensate for this by moving their heads and often coordinating the movement of both eyes. This adaptation is essential for their survival, allowing them to spot food, avoid danger, and navigate their environment effectively.